You feel like things aren't going as well as you might like. Here are 4 tips on how to best recover from really bad Glo-Bus. All is not lost. I'm Patrick Law, International Glo-Bus Grand Champion, and I have seen it all. Tip number 1. Focus on learning the game's best practices. Here they are in blistering order from all the basic videos. Product design, hold PQ constant, minimize assembly cost. Marketing, hold market share constant, maximize operating profit. For compensation, maximize EPS. Capability should be equal demand. Max this out. Don't stop what you're already doing here. And change cash in loans and repurchase to get your target credit rating. Yay! Tip 2. Do an image rating push. You do this by converting some of your projected EPS into market share and then into image rating. How is shifting EPS to image going to help me, you say? This may seem counterintuitive, but the wisdom of it really stems from how Glo-Bus is scored. Image rating is only counted for your final score during the last 3 years. Whereas EPS is based on your weighted average of all years. That means that it is anywhere between 2 to 5 times easier for your overall score to be affected by image than it is from EPS, especially late in the game. You do this by doing what you did before. Randomly mess around with the decisions, but in a more focused way. Change any of your blue decision entries up and down. What you're looking for is a small decrease of EPS with a big increase in market share. Do that enough times and you will see your EPS go down and your image go up. Tip 3 is even easier. A credit rating push. Late in the game, credit rating is the easiest to fix, so it's a pretty good bet. Credit rating only matters the last round. Just change your cash in and cash out to get the credit rating that's important. An A+ will give you 3 to 4 extra points, an A will give you 2 to 4. But there's a warning. If you pay down your debt suddenly, you will see your return on equity or ROE go down. If you already have great game-to-date ROE, the momentum will keep you going. Tip number 4. If you've tried all that and you're still in the depths of despair, you can always go for broke. For a business simulation, what is crazy? 1. Massively increase your market share by driving all of your operating profit margins down to near 0. Oh, and don't forget to increase the size of your facility. 2. Pretend that score is relevant and go only for the corporate social responsibility and citizenship reward. You may have lost the score, but at least you get to claim the award. In the rare situation when nobody has been paying attention to long-term strategy and nobody knows how to play Glo-Bus, simply copying what the leader did the last round can be a really good policy. This works well if nobody has a market share or R&D advantage. Quickly go to your competitive intelligence report and copy that. If you like this content, please like it. If you want the free Glo-Bus forecasting sheet to easily and correctly fill in those pesky red numbers at the bottom of the marketing pages, subscribe and then hit the link in the description.